how to log in Facebook after resetting your phone. So if you want to log into your Facebook after resetting your phone, then there are two ways. The first method is if you've saved your login information of your Facebook on your device, then even after resetting your phone, you'll be able to log in to your Facebook with that saved info. Once you open up your Facebook, or once you install your Facebook, you can open up your Facebook and then you can go with continue. And after that, if you have saved your Facebook login information, then it will ask you to continue to that Facebook account like this after logging into your Google. But if you've not saved the information, then the second step or the second method is you need to log in manually. So enter your mobile number or your email address on the first blank and then enter your password on the next blank. And after entering your information, you need to tap on login. Once you tap on login, it will be logged into your account. You need to check the notifications on another device or on the WhatsApp. You may receive some code to your number or your email, and after entering that verification code, you'll be able to log into your account. Or you can also go with forgot password if you don't remember your password, and then you can enter your mobile number or your email address in order to receive some SMS notification from Facebook, and then you'll be able to log in. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.